Hi guys! I made it back here in LA. Today is April 20 and it's currently 2:33 p.m. Wala akong masyadong na-plan for today, but I really wanna go to In-N-Out. I wanna eat In-N-Out kasi di pa ako nakakapag In-N-Out ever since dumating ako dito. I just checked in here sa hotel ko. I'm staying sa Hotel Ziggy. This is in West Hollywood. This is how the room looks like. Super simple lang. And then, this is the bathroom. So, ayan. Tapos, meron silang pool dyan sa labas. Ang cute ng hotel na to, guys. I haven't eaten anything today, kaya mag-i-In-N-Out na lang tayo. I'm just gonna book my Uber going there. And then, ko alam ko anong gagawin ko today. Baka mag-rest na lang muna ako. Can I get a double-double with whole onions and chopped chilies? Okay, my food came. Now it's time to devour this. Tinake out ko yung leftovers ko. And now, I'm walking to Target. Kasi may mga pinapabili sa akin ng sister ko doon. And I think I also need to buy some things there. We're just walking kasi 8-minute walk lang naman siya. And then after Target, I'm gonna just go back na to the hotel and rest. It's so busy here. Hindi ko alam kung anong meron. Pero parang ang daming tao. Oh, we made it to the Hollywood Walk of Fame. Ano natawag dito? Forgot. Target is over there, guys. Okay, guys. We made it in Target. I'm gonna look for the things na pinapabili ng sister ko. Also wanna get something from the beauty section. So, let's see. I just got back here sa hotel. It is now 4:48 p.m. I think I'm gonna rest na lang the whole day. Pakita ko sa inyo yung mga nabili ko sa Target. Konti lang because pupunta lang talaga ako dun for my sister. So, I got a lot of hair clips kasi parang nasira na halos lahat ng ganito ko. That's why I needed new ones. I got makeup wipes kasi paubos na yun sa akin. I also got itong singles pang travel. Bumili rin ako nitong mga clear na Sanrio. And ito yung lagi ko kasing ginagamit and paubos na yung ganito ko. So, bumili lang ako ulit. I got Cheetos, Flaming Hot, and freeze-dried Skittles. So, yun ang binili ko sa Target. Siguro, I'm just gonna chill here sa room ko. Maybe sleep, kasi hindi enough yung sleep ko kagabi. I think I'm also gonna edit some content that I need to post. And I also need to do my midterms. So, yun na lang yung gagawin natin today. Finish my midterms, finish editing all my contents, and then rest. See you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, it's the next day. It's currently 2:16 p.m. Actually, kanina pa ako nagising, mga 10 a.m. Pero, nandito lang ako sa hotel. I was just watching Netflix, chilling. Tapos, ngayon lang ako natapos maligo and mag-ready. Kasi today, I just plan to go to the Grove. Gusto ko sana bumili ng pasalubong and also shop for a bit while I'm there. So yeah, yun lang yung plan natin today. And I'm gonna bring you guys along with me. You guys know na favorite ko sa The Grove. Favorite ko mag-shopping doon. And there's so many good stores there that I wanna go to and check. And may mga pinapabili din sa akin si mommy. I'm gonna buy those for them. So yeah, super simple lang ng fit today. Like, hindi ko na siya inisip. I'm just wearing a white shirt lang and shorts. Tapos magja-jacket lang ako. It's gonna be a solo date today at The Grove. So I'm just gonna book my Uber and I'll talk to you guys when I get there. Okay guys, I made it to The Grove and the weather today is not it kasi parang umulan, walang araw, but hindi naman siya ganun kalamig, kaya naman. Anyway, this is how The Grove looks like today. Ibang unang store gusto ko puntahan. Let's see, should I check some Jellycats at Nordstrom? Okay, let's go to Nordstrom. There's Skims here. I don't know if I want anything from Skims kasi sobrang mahal ng mga gamit dito. This is cute. I see the Jellycats. I see the jellycats. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Meron. Meron yung gusto ko. This is what I want. The pickleball jellycat. He on this. This is cute too. And this one. Ang daming cute. Let's check Revolve. I haven't owned anything from Revolve, so let's see if I like something here. I kind of like these glasses. Is it nice? Let's go check Addicted. This is one of my favorite stores here. Ang dami kasing magagandang tops here. This is cute. Okay, surprisingly, wala akong nakuha sa Addicted. Parang wala lang ako nagustuhan. So now I'm walking here sa Alo. Let's check. Alo. Guys, I just finished shopping. It's around 8 something na ata. This is all the things that I shopped. Nag-book na ako ng Uber ko papunta sa hotel. I'm super hungry. I might just Uber Eats na lang my dinner. And yeah, I think that's it for today. Hindi ko na alam ko anong gagawin ko, pero punta na ako sa hotel, kain ako ng dinner, tapos mag-rest na ako. I'll see you guys siguro tomorrow na. I still don't know what I'm gonna do tomorrow. Grabe guys, sobrang bigat nito kasi gusto ko pa sana mag-crumble or mag-dinner outside. Pero ang hassle kasi bit-bit ko to, sobrang bigat. So, I'm just gonna Uber sa hotel. Then, maybe just order dinner. Sobrang lamig na rin, guys. And I'm just wearing shorts. Okay. I think my Uber is here na. So, let's go. See you guys tomorrow. Good morning, guys. Today is another shopping day for me. Kasi wala na akong ibang alam gawin dito kundi mag-shopping. It's my last day today and I just plan to go to Melrose. It is currently 12:03 p.m. and ngayon pa lang ako kumilos, pero kanina pa ako gising. I want to go to the Set Active store in Melrose kasi I really want to buy nice workout clothes. I also want to get a hoodie from Mag Happy. So, nasa Melrose lang din yung store na yun. And then, maybe go to another Sephora. Kasi, wala sa The Grove yung iba kong mga gustong bilhin sa Sephora. So, hopefully, meron sa branch na mapupunta natin today. Last night, I ordered dinner. I got Erewhon, Wingstop, and Crumble. I did a mukbang sa TikTok ko for that. Pero, may mga gusto kong kainan dito. Parang, siguro hindi ko pa nakakain is yung sandwich sa Joe the Juice. So, I don't know. We'll see kung saan tayo kakain today. But, tomorrow I fly home na. So sad. Ang flight ko tomorrow is 12. Kaya, honestly, homesick na rin. So, okay na rin sa akin na umuwi tomorrow. I really don't feel like doing my makeup today. Like, gusto ko chill na lang talaga. And also, I really need to finish my midterms. So, puro uwi ako maaga today. Parang 3 stars lang naman yung gusto kong puntahan. Set Active, Mad Happy, and Sephora. Nabili ko naman na lahat ng mga pasalubong ko and mga nagpapabili. Yun lang siguro yung plan for today. Baka mag-montage na lang ako sa inyo guys. Or I'll just do a haul later when I get back. Okay, I'll just do a bit of makeup. Naglagay lang ko ng lip and a bit of blush na lang. Aga ko pala nakatulog last night. Like, hindi ko na-expect na makakatulog na ako. Kasi, I don't know, I was just posting my photos, tapos bigla akong nakatulog. Tapos tuloy-tuloy na. Nagising na lang ako may araw na. That will be my look. I feel like I wanna use these glasses I got from Revolve. They're so cute. Ito na yung last na meron, which is yung naka-display. Medyo hindi na siya nice. Kasi ito yung display nila. But I still got it because it's so cute. And hindi ko alam paano saan siya mabibili. But they're from the brand Otra. Otra? Pinakita ko naman to sa inyo yesterday. But they're so cute. Kaya lang, baka mawala ko siya. So, I won't wear it today. Oh my gosh, guys, I forgot to vlog to set active. Literally, pumasok ako tapos naghanap na agad ako ng mga gusto ko tapos nag-fit ako. Sobrang daming magaganda. I spent like $366. I got 2 sets and a sweater. So now, I'm gonna go to Mad Happy kasi nga I wanna get like a hoodie from Mad Happy. Tapos, I'll go to Sephora after. I'll show you guys yung store ng set. Pasok tayo ulit. Okay, I'm now walking to Mad Happy. Medyo malayo lang siya. It's like parang 18-minute walk siya. Pero nice naman dito sa Melrose. Like, it's nice to walk around here. And the weather today is nice also. Guys, I could see Jaded London. It's over there. So I feel like I wanna check it out. Kahit na feeling ko wala akong mabibili doon. Because it's expensive and yung mga clothes doon, parang pang festival siya. But I still wanna see. Actually, yung mga bikini nila yung cute pala there. So, let's see. Thank you. This is the top I wore. This is cute. The glossy store is over there. Let's check it rin. Kahit na wala naman akong plan bumili dito. Wala lang. Cute lang ang store nila. Naalala ko nung nandito ako with Jarella and Bea. Bea ba kasama ko nun? Parang si Jarella lang ako. I forgot. Basta pumunta rin kami dito sa store na to. Super bango actually ng mga perfume dito. This is also cute. I wanna get this. Guys, oh my gosh, may Joe in the juice dito. I think it's a sign for me to eat muna. Yeah, let's eat my tuna cado. Okay, we're now walking to Mad Happy again. Parang 12-minute walk pa ata siya. Nilalamig ako. I think kasi uminom ako ng cold matcha. Kaya nilalamig ako. Oh my gosh, guys. Naka-shorts lang kasi ako ulit. And sando. Tsaka jacket. But the sun's out today. Yesterday kasi parang umulan. So, walang masyadong sun. So, today's such a nice day out. So nice here talaga. I swear, parang gusto ko na lang dito tumira. Or, gusto ko lagi akong pumupuntang LA. Like, hindi talaga ako magsasawa dito, guys. Ooh, Sporty and Rich. I wanna check that out. Check natin yung Sporty and Rich, guys. Parang maganda yung clothes there. Let's see. Alam ko mahal din ata dyan eh. There's a Salomon store also here. Guys, finally mad happy. Yeah. Let's look for a cute hoodie. Parang gusto ko ng brown na hoodie. This one. This is cute. I'm back here sa hotel, so let's do a haul. Pakita ko sa inyo lahat ng mga nabili ko from yesterday and today. So, let's start off with Alo. I got this hair clip. It's color white. And I just got this yellow set that I can wear pag nag-pickleball ako. So, this yellow skirt, super cute. And this matching bra top. Cute ng color niya. Okay. And then from Revolve, I got this sweater, pero hindi to sa akin, guys. Pasalubong ko to. But it's essential. Super cute. So nice. Tagal ko na rin gusto nito, pero ano na lang to. Pasalubong ko na lang because it's boyish. I got this set from Set Active. Pang gym lang. So, black shorts and this bra top that says Set. So cute. I also got the shades na tinry ko nung nasa Revolve ako kasi ang cute. Yun lang siya. At titignan mo yung shades ko. Ka-video call ko yung sister ko kasi pinapakita ko rin sa kanya yung haul ko. I have new shades. I mean glasses. So, I went to the Set store in Melrose and I didn't know na nag-launch sila today for their new collection. So, sobrang cute ng pieces nila. So, I got this sweater. It's color blue. Feel ko kasi mga gantong color, bagay siya sa akin. Like yung gantong klaseng blue. So, I got it. Kahit medyo malaki siya sa akin because it's in the size medium to large. But it's still cute. This is really cute also. Ang ganda ng color niya. And bagay rin siya sa akin. So, I got the shorts. And this is the matching top. Sobrang cute. It's like pink, green, and cream. Sobrang nice niya. And I also got a blue set. Yung pinunta ko talaga is ganitong color na set. Pero wala sila nung parang solid colors lang. So, ito lang yung napili ko. This one, 2 sets lang kasi medyo mahal dun, guys. So yeah, that's everything I got from Set. And then, from Aritzia, I only got 2 things. I got this black top lang that I also have in white. Ganda kasi niya sa akin, so I had to get it in black. And I got a pair of jeans from Levi's. These are the low loose. So, ayan. And then from Mad Happy, I got a hoodie. Super cute nito. As in, gusto ko sana bumili ng essentials na hoodie for myself. Pero, ito na lang kasi mas girly to. Look at it! It's so cute! I also wanted to get a Guizio hoodie. Pero close pa yung store nila dito. So, sa New York lang meron. Kaya, ito na lang binili ko yung sa Mad Happy. And it's so cute. Gusto ko pa naman color brown. So, nung nakita ko to, kinuha ko na siya agad. And this was the last one in the size medium. Ate, ang cute, no? Kasi ito yung parang signature nila na may stitches sa hood. So yeah, it's so cute! And I'm gonna wear it tomorrow sa airport. Next, I bought Jellycats from Nordstrom. So first, ate, tingnan mo ano to.
Pickleball?
Okay, so I got a pickleball Jellycat kasi if di nyo pa alam, sobrang addict ko sa pickleball. And matagal ko nang alam na may Jellycat na pickleball, pero parang mahirap siya hanapin and parang sold out siya. So, nung nakita ko to sa Nordstrom, kinuha ko na siya agad. Sobrang cute. Isa to sa mga dream Jellycats ko. So, I'm so happy that I got it. I also got these marshmallows. Super cute. They're connected to each other. And then, lastly, I got a tiny smudge elephant. So, Super liit niya and super cute. So yeah, yun lang yung Jellycat na nabili ko. Let's now do my big ass Sephora haul. So, 2 beses ako nag-Sephora, guys. Yung isa yesterday and today. So, first, I got the Patrick Ta Mini Blush Duo. So, ito yung set. It comes with tuna. Sobrang liit pala nito. Ang cute. So, these are in the shades She Goes to the Gym and She's Seductive. So, sana bagay to sa akin. Ayan siya, guys. Super liit lang. Ayan, so nice. This is She Goes to the Gym. Every time na lang talaga nagsa-Sephora ako, ang dami ko talagang nabibili kahit di ko kailangan. Pero ito, super tagal ko na itong gusto. Kaya, ayan, binili ko na siya. I got 2 Sephora Puffs, 1 for my sister, kasi pinabili niya sa akin. I also got a freckle pen. Finally, yung malaking size na yung meron ako. Kasi yung meron lang ako yung maliit. And, ayan, binili ko lang to. This one I got pang pasalubong for my friends. Okay, ito naman yung binili ko sa Sephora today. First, I got the Tower 28 Daily Rescue Facial Spray. Tinry ko kasi siya sa store, tapos mula lang, ang ganda ng spray niya. Parang covered lahat ng face ko. And then, I got the Refi Clear Brow Sculpt. I also got the LYS Cream Bronzer Stick in the shade Harmony. I got a mini Huda Beauty color corrector in the shade Pink Pomelo. I also got a mini size of the Westman Atelier contour stick in the shade Biscuit. I feel like sabi nila this is too light for me, pero parang it still works. So, I got the Rhode Peptide eye patches. Buti na lang meron pa nito. Isa na lang to. Kaya kinuha ko na. I also got the Summer Fridays Jet Lag eye patches. Ito parang ang dami nito. 15 pairs. Tapos yung Rhode 6 lang. Medyo same price sila pero mas madami to. So, and I got another eye patch. Ito naman yung Topicals na brightening eye mask. Feeling ko mas kailangan ko nito kasi ang lala ng eye bags ko. Lastly, I got the Makeup by Mario eyeshadow palette. Kakabili ko lang ng eyeshadow palette ng Makeup by Mario din. Ito kasi yung matagal ko nang gusto. Ayan siya, guys. So nice. Yan na lahat ng pinag-shopping ko dito sa LA. And I think I'm gonna end the vlog na here kasi tomorrow's my flight. I'm gonna pack all of my stuff na for tomorrow. Thank you guys so much for watching my vlog and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!